Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Python interview hack series. In today's video, we are going to see a problem that has been asked by Facebook. So we have a sorted array of integers. Write a function that returns a sorted array containing the squares of those integers. So let's see some examples first. So this is a list 1, 2, 3 which is already sorted. We will get the result as 1, 4, 9. Next is -3, -2, -1. This is also sorted, but if we just make the squares, we will get the result as 9, 4, 1. But if we sort that array, we will get the result same as above, that is 1, 4, 9. Here list -8, -5, -4, 1, 6 and 7. So the result we will get will be 1, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64 after sorting the array. So let's see how to get the result with sorted array. So this is our list -8, -5, -4, 1, 6 and 7. So now we want the square of these numbers and we want the resultant array in sorted format, means the element will be in ascending order. So for that we will compare the first element of the list with the last element of the list, and we will remove the minus sign because after making the square of any element, the minus sign will not matter. So here we are removing the minus sign. So the numbers are 8 and 7. So between 8 and 7, 8 is greater. So we will make the square of this 8 and add at the end of the list. So here we got the first element, that is 64. So now we will make the square of this element 7, the smaller element, and add after 64. So here we got the result as 49, 64. So now we will move the pointers. So the next pointer will be at -5 and here at the 6. So between 5 and 6, after removing the negative sign, 6 is greater than 5. So that's why square of 6 will be greater than square of 5. So that's why we will add the square of 6 next after 49 in our resultant list. And after that we will add the square of 5 after 36. So here we got our list sorted, that is 25, 36, 49, 64. Now we will move our pointers again. So here we got -4, -1. Here we will remove the negative sign. So 4 is greater than 1. So we are taking square of 4 and adding after 25, that is 16. And lastly we are adding the square of 1, that is 1, at the beginning of the list. So here we got our sorted list, that is 1, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. Let's see how to solve this using Python. So now we are taking a function named square sort and passing array1. Taking an empty list named resultant array. In this list we will store a result which is squared sorted array. Taking two pointers, left pointer equals to 0 because index of list starts from 0. Right pointer equals to length of array -1. For I in a range of 0, length of array 1, means the loop starts from the first element and it will continue till the last element of the list. If absolute, so now here we are taking absolute to remove the negative sign from our element. So if absolute, array of left pointer is greater than array of right pointer, means if the element present at left pointer is greater than right pointer, then we will make the square of element at left pointer and we will add it to our list. So element 1 equals to array of left pointer into array of left pointer, and now we are adding it using insert. So resultant array dot insert 0, element 1. So 0 is the position at which position we want to insert our element, and element 1 is the element we want to insert. And now we want to move the pointer, so we will increment the left pointer by 1. So left pointer equals to left pointer plus 1. So now if this condition is not true, we will make the square of the element present at the right pointer. So that's why element 2 equals to array 1 of right pointer into array 1 of right pointer, and we will insert that value into a resultant array. So resultant array dot insert 0 comma element 2. So now we will start adding one by one element at 0th position. So the number will shift to right, and the next number will be added before that element. So now we want to move the pointer. So that's why we are decrementing the right pointer. So right pointer equals to right pointer minus 1, and at the end return resultant array. Let's run our example. So this is our array minus 6, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. And here we are calling our function square sort and passing this array 1. So now here we are getting the value 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. So what happened here? So first of all, we remove this negative sign here using absolute. So the pointer, left pointer is at 0, that is first element, and right pointer is at 5. So we are comparing this 6 with 5. So here 6 is greater than 5. So we are making square of 6 and adding it at the end of the list. So we can't add directly at the end of the list. So that's why here we are using dot insert and inserting at the 0th position. The element will keep shifting to the left as we add new elements. So here square of 6 is 36, that is added, and now square of 5, the smaller number, is added before 36, so that is 25. The pointer is shifted, left pointer incremented by 1, so the now left pointer is as 4, and here right pointer is decremented, so right pointer is at 3. So we are comparing 4 and 3. 4 is greater than 3, so we are adding square of 4, that is 16, before 25, so that is 16, and then square of 3, that is 9. The pointer is shifted again, so now the left pointer is at 1 and right pointer is at 2. We are comparing here 1 and 2. 2 is greater, so we are adding square of 2 before 9, that is 4, and square of 1, that is 1. So that's how we are getting a sorted array, that is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Similarly here array 1 equals to minus 7, minus 3, minus 1, 4, 8, 12. When we run this, we get a resultant array, that is 1, 9, 16, 49, 64, 144. Now the example we saw earlier, that is minus 8, minus 5, minus 4, 1, 6 and 7. When we run this, we get the resultant array as 1, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. So that's how we get a squared sorted array. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.